Hey, I'm JR, and these are the Kenwood KFC-1666S. They're some of our top-selling and least expensive 6.5-inch speakers. If you are looking for factory replacement speakers, if you just want to make an upgrade to your speaker without building a crazy system with amps and subwoofers and all of that, this is the perfect speaker for you. We sell a lot of these to people that simply want to make their car sound a little bit better, replace a blown speaker or something like that. You really can't go wrong with these. There is a 1-inch PEI balanced dome tweeter to give you good, full, rich mids and highs, and a nice polypropylene woofer with a treated cloth surround to give you good, soft, deep lows. They're a standard 4-ohm speaker. They're rated to do about 40 hertz up to 22K, so a full range speaker. And if you want to power them, of course, they're efficient enough to work with your factory radio. If you want to power them with an aftermarket radio, you can. They can go up to about 30 watts of power RMS, so you could also use them with a small amplifier. So like I said, a simple, easy replacement speaker that is a big-time upgrade over your factory speakers. This is a typical factory speaker. It's got this little whizzer cone. It's cardboard. Sounds horrible. This is going to sound so much better. A much better tweeter, much better woofer. It will last longer and sound significantly better. And depending on where you want to install them, you might need grills. Grills, of course, are included as well. There's a ton of reviews, and they're almost all positive. Average scores 4.5 out of 5 stars from over 500 Crutchfield customer reviews. I want to read a couple of them to you now. A customer from Powder Springs, Georgia says, I installed these speakers as just replacements for old stock speakers, but to my surprise, they were so much better than just that. They sounded so good, I decided to replace all of them. So you can do a pair in the front and a pair in the back. Another customer from Fort Mill, South Carolina, put these in his 2017 Jeep Renegade and says, these speakers are even better than I anticipated. Clear, crisp sound with strong but not overwhelming bass. They are also adaptable to different kinds of mounting needs. They're a great value and provide excellent performance for the cost. And lastly, another customer from Pensacola, Florida, put these in their 2012 GMC Sierra and then said, just what I was wanting in a replacement door speaker for my truck. Sounds great and reasonable price. Going to order more from my dad's HHR since his factory door speakers are toast. So if your factory speakers are toast, or if you just want something that sounds better, this should certainly be a contender. It's the Kenwood KFC-1666S 6.5-inch speakers. We think you're going to love them if you just want to have some better sound in your car. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions on these speakers, go ahead and throw it in the comments. We do look at those and we try to answer them whenever possible. Hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you'll get an alert every time we put up a cool new video like this one. Thanks for watching.